everyone! Today we're going to learn a new sound. Okay, so we know what to do now. It's me first, then you copying me, okay? Ready? So the new sound is ah, ah, ah. And how we make the sound is we open our mouth like this and say ah, ah. Okay, these are the pictures that begin with an ah sound, okay? Me first. Ah, apple. It's a fruit. Ah, avocado. That's a fruit as well. Ah, alligator. Ah, antelope. This is an animal. Okay, and I have a special friend for you to meet. Another fruit. And the fruit is an apple. Do you like apples? Oh, maybe you could try an apple and see if you like it. Again, superheroes, they like to eat their fruits. Well done. Okay, so this is the ah sound and the letter is A, but we say the sound ah. Okay, so when you see this side, you say ah, and when you see this side, you say apple. Okay, your turn. Apple. Ah. Ah. Apple. One more time. Ah. Okay, so here is our ah sound, and because we've learned some sounds now, we're going to pop it in the middle of these sounds, okay? Ready? And you are going to say the sounds. When you see the ah, okay, you have to say gotcha. Can you do that? Okay, ready? Oh, gotcha. And what is it? Ah, well done. Let's try it again a little bit quicker. Ready? Gotcha. And what sound is it? Ah, well done. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you now and you can see the ah sound and the super apple on the screen. And this is a curly k sound. So you can see the arrow. Okay, the little blue dot. Put your finger on the blue dot and watch me. So again, we come round like a curly k. This is the curly k bit. Keep going up. And then we have to come down to the red dot. That's tricky, that one, isn't it? So magic finger in the air, ready? Come round like a curly k. Keep going. Up to the top. Down to the red dot. Flick at the bottom. Okay, watch me on the screen. Round like a curly k. Come up. Down and flick. That's it. And we can keep practicing because practice makes progress. Well done, everyone. So we have Red and he wants to play our game. Are you ready, Red? Wakey, wakey. Say, wake up, Red. Hey, hello, Red. There he is. Okay, it's me first. Ready? We're going to build a word. Blend the sounds together. Okay. Ah. 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 Am. Yes. Me first. Ah. Am. Like I am a teacher. Yes. Do you want to have a go, Red? Okay, Red's going to have a go. Ah. N. T. Ah. N. T. I think you've made a word. Ah. N. T. Ah. N. T. Ant. Yes, it's ant. Okay, it's me first. Ah. Ant. 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 Well done. Good job, Red. That was brilliant, wasn't it? And today we have been practicing the ah sound like this. Well done. Keep practicing, everyone, and I will see you soon for a new sound. Bye.